Hello there, I am Dr. Yatin Patel, a board certified pulmonary and sleep physician from the CPAP setup room in the clinic location of Mishawaka, Indiana. Back in January of 2019, a patient asked me, "Hey doc, I purchased these CPAP mask wipes online and I've been using them, and I just Googled one of the main ingredients and it says that it can cause cancer in high dosages. But I should be okay, right doc? Because this would have low dosage." And that's when we started designing CPAP mask wipes with natural ingredients, without those carcinogenic chemicals. So our patients and our staff have used it and loved it. Alcohol-free, scent-free, latex-free. It's thin enough that it can get into cracks and crevices, corners of the masks and interface, but it's thick enough that it does not leave any lint behind. And the size also is big enough that it can clean even the biggest full face mask. Each order includes 200 per canister, so 2 canister in each order, has 200 mask wipes. That's what our patients preferred, because we see our CPAP follow-up patients every 6 months, and for online patients also, it is an environmentally friendly thing to do because you are set for one shipment every 6 months. Once again, this is the CPAP mask wipes, 100 of them per canister. Each order has 200 of them. It's lint-free, safe, effective, alcohol-free, fragrance-free, gentle on skin because it has aloe and vitamin E. It's a soft material and it stays, what my patients tell me, moist even for 6 months. What my patients do is they wake up in the morning and pull out a mask wipe like this. As I said, it's thin enough to get into the tightest corner of the nasal interface. So the patients would clean this thoroughly, which cleans the skin, oil, saliva, dirt. And then quite a few of our patients use this portable ozone sanitizer. So they just put this mask in there and they turn the ozone sanitizer on. Close the bag and leave for work. So once again, this is Dr. Patel introducing CPAP mask wipes, 100 per canister. Each order has 200 of them, and we'll send you by email an ebook of CPAP is Sexy and Sleep Well, Lead Well, 2 of my books. Well, remember to use CPAP every time you sleep, even when napping, even when traveling. Number 2, never drive drowsy, drunk, or distracted. Thank you. God bless you.